Hi everyone, I'm Jen from Ask an Autism Mom with Laki Kids. Today I'm here to talk about the Wiggle seat. This seat is designed to inflate easily using a bike pump and help curb the wiggles with one bumpy side, which is porcupine-like spikes, and one softer nodule side. It can be used as a seat to stand on or lay on their belly on it for core work. It is made of tough, anti-burst PVC and can safely hold up to 150 pounds. It's super slim and durable and ideal for the classroom. It helps children with autism, ADHD, and just wiggly kids who need to work off excess energy, stay calm, and boost concentration. It allows hyperactive kids an outlet while keeping them in their seats. It is also a great way to work on core muscles and improve balance and posture. So check it out. It is a wonderful product, and we hope you enjoy it. Thanks.